QR codes make it easier for customers to interact with your business. When scanned, they can trigger a number of actions automatically. With Smart Connect, you can create your own QR codes in seconds. To begin, go to the Tools menu and click or tap QR codes. There are several actions that the QR code can trigger. Let's first look at the SMS option. When scanned, the QR code will compose a text message on your customer's device. It's an easy way for customers to opt in to one of your text messaging lists. In this example, the message contains a text to join keyword that triggers an auto response from your business when it is received. With the link option, the QR code opens a website on the customer's device. This option is perfect for directing customers to online menus, sign-up forms, or your social media pages. Finally, the Wi-Fi option makes it simple for customers to join your in-store Wi-Fi. Instead of searching the store for the password or getting up to ask you for it, they simply scan the QR code to log on to your network. If you'd like to add a logo or watermark to the QR code, you can upload one from your device. You can also select one of the social media icons on the right. These are useful when the QR code will take the customer to one of your social media pages. When you're finished entering information, click Generate. You can print a paper copy of the QR code or download it in 3 graphics formats. For more information on QR codes, please see our full tutorial. The link is in the description.